everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the colorful world of nail polish finishes. From creamy to holographic, each finish has its own unique charm. Let's explore the many types of nail polish finishes. First up is the cream finish. This is a classic choice with a smooth, glossy appearance. Cream polishes are highly pigmented, providing full coverage with a rich, vibrant color. They're versatile and perfect for everyday wear. Next, we have the jelly finish. Jelly polishes are translucent and have a squishy, glossy look, allowing for a more delicate appearance. They're great for layering and can create a stunning depth when combined with other colors. Let's talk about the shimmer finish. This polish contains fine glitter particles that give a subtle sparkle without being overly dramatic. Shimmer finishes are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your nails. Now we have the glass fleckered finish. This finish features tiny shards of glitter that reflect light beautifully, creating a dazzling effect. Glass fleckered polishes can add a unique depth and dimension to your manicure. Who doesn't love some sparkle? The glitter finish is all about fun. These polishes are loaded with glitter particles that range from fine to chunky. Glitter finishes are perfect for parties or anytime you want to shine. Another stunning option is the foil finish. These polishes feature metallic, reflective qualities with pieces of foil that create a textured look. Foil finishes are great for dramatic effects and can be layered over other colors for a unique twist. Next is the chrome or metallic finish. These polishes mimic the look of metal, offering a shiny, reflective quality. Chrome shades can add an edgy vibe to your nails, making them perfect for a statement look. Brighten your day with a neon finish. Neon polishes are bold, dramatic, vibrant, and ideal for summer or festival looks. They're a fantastic way to make a statement and add a pop of color to your style. Next, we have the matte finish. This finish lacks shine, giving your nails a sophisticated and modern look. Matte polishes are great for minimalist styles and can also serve as a base for nail art. The satin finish. The satin finish is a beautiful blend of glossy and matte, offering a soft sheen without full shine. Satin polishes provide an elegant, understated look, making them suitable for any occasion. Now let's discuss the suede finish. This type has a soft velvety texture that resembles suede fabric. Suede polishes often have a matte finish with a touch of shimmer, giving a unique, luxurious look. Next, we have the flaky finish. Flaky polishes contain large, irregularly shaped flakes that create a multi-dimensional effect. They can be layered over other colors for an eye-catching manicure. Let's not forget the holographic finish. This fun polish has special pigments that create a mesmerizing rainbow effect when exposed to light. Holographic nails are playful and perfect for anyone who wants to stand out. The textured finish adds a tactile quality to your nails. These polishes can feel gritty or bumpy, often mimicking the look of sand or sugar. Textured finishes are great for a unique and playful nail art look. Now we have the frost finish. This polish has a pearlescent icy look, often with a subtle shimmer. Frost finishes can give your nails a cool, wintry vibe, perfect for the colder months. The pearl finish provides a soft, iridescent quality similar to the sheen of a pearl. This finish adds an elegant touch to any manicure and is perfect for a sophisticated look. Next is the iridescent polishes. Iridescent polishes shift colors depending on the angle of light. They provide a multi-dimensional effect that can make your nails look magical. Iridescent finishes are a favorite for those who love unique nail art. Next, we have the caviar finish. Involves tiny beads that create a three-dimensional look. These polishes often feature small beads applied over a base color for a textured, playful effect. The velvet finish. It has a soft matte texture that mimics the feel of velvet fabric. This finish gives a luxurious look and feel to your nails, perfect for special occasions. Finally, we have the duochrome finish. These polishes shift colors as the light changes, creating a stunning multi-dimensional effect. Duochrome polishes are perfect for making a bold statement. The sheer finish is great for a more natural look. These polishes are translucent, allowing your natural nail color to show through, making them perfect for a clean and understated appearance. Last but not least, we have the cracked finish. This unique polish creates a textured, cracked effect as it dries. It's often applied over another color for contrast, adding an edgy touch to your nail art. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the many nail polish finishes available. From glossy to cracked, there's a finish for every style and occasion. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more nail tips and trends. Ano yung favorite nail polish finish mo? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep your nails fabulous!